Hey guys, Ronald here. I have here a luggage that has a big gaping hole on this area where this handle sits and rests. So I don't want to throw this away, so I'm going to fix it. I'm going to cover that. So first, I'm going to put some epoxy on this part. Just some small amount. This is for the initial process. So okay, as I have always done, I'm going to spread those epoxy by wetting my fingers. Okay, I have some water here. I'll also put some epoxy on this area. Now I'm going to put a screen mesh. I hope you can see that. So initially, I'd like to start that way. Now to make it stick onto this wall, I'm going to put a foam with some tape on this surface so that the epoxy won't stick onto this part later. So we're going to wait for it to solidify. This one is already flat, so I'm not going to put some pressure on it. So okay, that's how we're going to cover that initially. We'll wait for it to solidify. Okay, let's remove it. The epoxy has solidified. Okay, so let's add more epoxy. Let's add some more epoxy. Okay, so we will just let it solidify again, maybe after 2 or 3 hours. Okay, it has dried up, as you can hear. It's pretty solid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some masking tape around this area because I'm gonna paint it black. Okay, so we're just going to paint this black to make it look better. Okay, we'll just let it dry. So let's wait for it. Okay, it has dried up. Let's remove the tips. Okay, so we have finished patching this part. So I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.